Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create a basic math operations in PHP programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you are new with my channel, please hit the like button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified when I newly uploaded video, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. This basic math operation in PHP, it will ask the user to give two numbers, and then our program will perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division using HTML and CSS web form. So here in our program, so we have here a basic declaration of HTML, CSS here. I will put a link in the description below so that you will able to copy the complete program listing for free. So here we have here a series of variables. This num1 and num2 is a variable for test, first num and second num, and then we have here four variables that will perform the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in PHP. So we have here the if a set. If the submit button will click, this operation will be performed. So okay, so here if we click this button clear, it will clear the values here. So we have here the title, header 1. So in this portion, we are asking the user to give two first values that will be stored in this variable text first num here in $num1, and text second num, which will be stored in $num2. So we have here, it will display the values in addition, and then subtraction, and then multiplication and division. So the submit button here will be go here in this iset that will perform basic math operation, just like $addition, $subtraction, $multiplication, and division in PHP. And then in this button clear will clear the values here. Okay, so when we refresh our program here, you see the first value will be 500, second value will be 100. So when we click compute button, we have your addition 600, subtraction 400, multiplication 50,000, and division is 500. Click the clear button, another set of values 100, second value let's say 10. So when we compute, we have your addition 110, subtraction 90, and multiplication 1000, and division is 10,000. So another set of values, let's say 5, and then we have here 500, 5,000. We have here 100. We will compute addition, we have 5,100, subtraction 4,900, and then we have here 500,000 for multiplication and division 50. So this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial on how to create basic math operation in PHP. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is your friend Jake saying see you in the next video guys. Bye bye for now.